Hello, here I am with your instructions for today's project, project 3. So let's go to the plan. All right, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to report your attendance right here. Please pause your video right now and click here and fill out the form. Thank you. Okay, here you're going to find this video that I'm recording right now. It's going to be right here so you can play it. And here you have 4 different videos that you need to watch. So each one of the videos is telling you about this festival. So this is a song that you can see, listen, repeat. You find it very catchy. Okay, so that's the first video. The second video has the same song but slower, and it's gonna tell you some stuff about the San Fermin festival. It's loading. Okay. Alright, so you see that's a slower version of the first song. Let's see what the next video is about. The next video is going to tell you about what happens in San Fermin, but it is in Spanish. So you need to pay attention to the images and the words and try to find cognates that are words that are similar in Spanish and English so you can figure out what the guy is saying. The guy is actually a finger.
Te esperes, aprender español.
Hola amigos, hoy vamos a conocer una de las fiestas más famosas.
So you see it has subtitles that may help, and it tells you about what it is about, when it's celebrated, where it's celebrated, what it is about, what they do, what they wear. You see? So you just need to slowly go over it and look at it and try to get and catch something of what they are telling you about it. Okay? All right, so that's your third video. Now your fourth video is one of the most important events that they have in this celebration that you are talking or telling me about or learning about. So you have an actual event. This is a recording of the actual event that is about the running of the bulls. So you are going to see that. And then you have, right here, you have a short paragraph telling you about it too. So you just read that. And then you're going to create a Google presentation. If you don't know how to create a Google presentation, I invite you to go to my frequent asked questions module, and there you can find how do I make a Google slide presentation, and then you follow the steps and then you can do it. Let's go back to our plan. Here we are back in the plan, and it says that the first slide you're going to find and type 5 facts about the festival, San Fermin. Things that are not included in this text or in the videos that you saw. If you see something in the video in Spanish and you figure out, you can put that. In the second slide, you're going to answer the question. This is the question. What festivals are you familiar with in which animals play a role? So you need to think about it. Have you been in one of those? And if you have not been in one of those, then you're going to research one. And then you're going to tell me what you found. Just pick one, and then don't forget to include some images that illustrate what you're telling me. And that's all. You need 2 slides, and that's all you have to do. You have to submit that on Canvas. I'm going to show you how to submit it on Canvas. From the student's perspective, I think I have a video on that. Let's see, how do I submit an assignment on Canvas? There you go. There it is. So you don't really need me to show you now. So you have here how to submit it. You have here how do I change my share settings on the Google presentation so my teacher can see it. So I should be able to receive your work. Okay, So that's all for now. I hope to see you connected to class. Don't forget to connect to class. Every time we have class, I'm going to be there and you need to be there. I'll see you around. Adios.